Hey mamas, welcome back to our channel, your safe space for everything women's and family health. If you're a new mom or soon-to-be mom and wondering, how do I even pump breast milk? You're not alone. Pumping can feel overwhelming at first, but today I'll guide you through it step by step, from choosing your pump to storing your milk safely. First, why do we pump? So your partner or caregiver can help feed, to relieve engorgement or stimulate supply, to prep for returning to work, or if your baby is premature. It gives you flexibility, freedom, and more rest. Types of breast pumps. There are a few options. 1. Manual pumps, affordable and quiet, but they require hand strength. 2. Electric pumps, most popular, plug-in or battery-powered. 3. Wearable pumps, like the LV or Willow, great for multitasking moms. Some moms also rent hospital-grade pumps for more power early on. Pro tip: many health insurances offer free electric pumps. Check with your provider. Before pumping: 1. Wash your hands. 2. Make sure pump parts are clean. 3. Massage your breasts gently to help let down. 4. Sit somewhere quiet and comfortable. You can even warm your breasts with a towel or take a warm shower first. It helps your body relax and let the milk flow. And always keep water nearby. You're hydrating for 2. Now, let's get into the how-to. 1. Place the flange centered over your nipple. 2. Turn on the pump to stimulation mode. It mimics your baby's suckling. 3. Once you see milk flow, switch to expression mode. 4. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes, or until your flow slows. If you're using a single pump, switch sides halfway. And if you feel pain, stop. Pumping should never hurt. You might need a different flange size or a lower suction. Once you're done, transfer milk into storage bags or clean bottles. Label with the date and time. Storage tips: store in room temperature, up to 4 hours. In fridge, up to 4 days. And in freezer, up to 6 to 12 months. Never refreeze thawed milk. And to warm it, place in a bowl of warm water, not the microwave. Here are a few must-know tips. 1. Pump every 2 to 3 hours in the early weeks to establish supply. 2. Stay hydrated. Your milk is mostly water. 3. You can mix milk from different sessions if they're the same temperature. 4. Build a milk stash by pumping after morning feeds when supply is highest. 5. Going back to work? Practice pumping 2 weeks in advance to get in rhythm. 6. Remember, every drop is valuable. You're doing great. Mama, pumping is a journey, not a race. It takes patience, learning, and grace. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another mom who might need this today. You've got this, and we've got you. Until next time, take care of your body, your baby, and your peace.